Taking a little video of the setup here. So this is the sonar and the Arduino that's connected to power supply. I'll just take a look at the screen here. And we're measuring either 148 or 89. So 148 inches. Down there you can see 148. The end of the tape measure is over here. So it looks like it's picking up this box or that shovel or that box. I'm not sure which exactly, because Sonar is not exactly, it spreads a bit as the distance rises. Alright, so I'm going to turn the tape measure around. I'm measuring from the sonar. No distance. And we will start right there and that. So I've got a pretty good target here. It didn't work at all, so I'm going to start again quite quickly. I've got a target at 130 inches, and then 120 inches, 110 inches, 100 inches, 90 inches, 80 inches, 70 inches, 60 inches, 50 inches, 40 inches, 30 inches, 20 inches, 12, 10, 7, 4, and I don't know if I can go any closer than that.